February 16th, 2021. It's supposed to be, like 15 degrees today, so we're gonna have a bit of a heat wave, and I'm here for it. We got a little bit more snow last night, but I want to show you today just how much snow we have. So it's warming up today, apparently. Oh, the sun feels nice. It's bright though. Holy crap. All I gotta do is go to this mailbox and drop this package off. Like, look at all this snow. That's the mailbox I gotta go to. Can't get there from walking on the sidewalk, so I gotta walk down the street. Now we're ready. Look at the snow on the roof. Just bonkers. What a day. It's super bright. It's supposed to warm up. It's supposed to get to 15 degrees today. Hot dog. Let's see the backyard. I can't believe stuff's actually melting in this. It's like cold. It's like very cold. Like, check out my deck. That bush is just getting crushed by the weight of the snow. Hope my roof doesn't collapse. That would suck.